Welcome DET test takers. Eric here, your teacher from DET Practice. Today, we're working on a write about the photo question. We have this image of a woman pushing a cart in what looks like a parking lot. Your observations were spot on. This could be an elderly woman after a trip to the supermarket or perhaps leaving a food bank with other people queuing in the background. Our focus point for this image is to integrate exactly 5 advanced vocabulary words to create a powerful description. These 5 words are resolute, trudging, utilitarian, laden, and assembled. Let's use our method of describing the person, their action, and the environment. First, her expression isn't just serious, it's resolute, which means she appears determined and purposeful. For her action, she isn't simply walking, she seems to be trudging, a verb that implies walking with effort, perhaps due to the weight of her cart. The cart itself is a perfect example of something utilitarian. It's designed for function, not for looks. The cart is heavily filled, so we can say it is laden with boxes. Finally, in the background, instead of just saying there are people, we can say a group has assembled, suggesting they have gathered together for a common purpose, like waiting in a line. Before we look at a sample answer, pause this video. Try to write your own description using at least 2 of these 5 new words. Welcome back. Here is a high-scoring example that weaves our vocabulary together. A woman with a resolute expression is trudging across the pavement, pushing a utilitarian cart that is laden with boxes. Behind her, a small crowd has assembled in an orderly line. This single sentence uses all 5 words to paint a vivid, detailed, and sophisticated picture. That's all for today's practice. If you'd like more writing exercises, log in to detpractice.com now and claim your 3-day free VIP trial.